Hi guys, Tara from Green Bay, Byrider here. I'm excited to come to you today as we discuss budgeting for a vehicle, and I've got 5 ways to get the most out of your budget. Number one is take control of your budget. To control your budget, you first need to know what it is, and the easiest way to do that is by writing everything down. Excuse me. On the left-hand side of a page, write down all of your income. This means every source: job, alimony, child support, the whole line. Write it all down. On the right hand side of your page, write down what you spend all your money on. This includes the morning coffee you grab every day on your way to work, your cell phone, your rent, your food, all of it. Then add up everything on the right side and subtract it from everything on the left side. You can then see how much money you should have left every month. 2. Avoid extra expenses. Crash diets never work, and in the same way, neither does cutting out all unnecessary spending. So keep things that you get the most pleasure from that cost the least, but cut big budget items or the little things that add up but don't add to your happiness. 3. Keep your favorite indulgences. Some things make or break a week. For example, if you treat yourself to fast food once a week, don't skip it to save money for a used car. The enjoyment you get from it is worth the money you'll be spending. But if you're hitting the steakhouse once a week, you may want to consider cutting back to once a month as a treat. 4. Create a social schedule. Most social events cost more money than you would spend on yourself. So plan a list of activities you can do that won't cost much money. For instance, meeting for a coffee instead of out for dinner, or having a game night in instead of going out to a movie. 5. And last but not least, have a goal. It's easier to save money and say no to extra spending when you have a clear goal in mind. For you, it may be a reliable used car, so visualize yourself in the car whenever you're tempted to spend a little extra money. Weigh whether delaying that goal is worth the treat you're considering. Excuse me. Here at Byrider, we try to keep the initial cost needed to get the keys to your vehicle low. Cars break down without warning, leaving you with no vehicle to get to where you need to go. And this also leaves you with the trouble of having to buy a replacement quickly. We know you don't always have time to budget when you're buying a car, and that's why we here at Byrider try to keep your loan and down payments low. So if you're in the market, come on down to 2805 Ramada Way, and let's see if we can't get you driving today. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Bye.